Alright guys, so today I will be installing a NGK Iridium spark plug on my Honda 420. My other one is not bad, it's not acting up at all. It is an NGK, but I just looking to put a better one in it, and I'll save the other one as a spare for the trail. Anyways, all you're gonna have to do is pull the pop rivet panels on that go right here, as you can see on the back of the Suzuki. Then you're gonna take this black one, and mine's for some reason doesn't come out up there. I haven't spent enough time, I'm kind of rushed, so I slid that up. You take your, where is it? My spark plug tool that comes in your toolkit, you put that right on there. After you disconnect it, run this through that hole right there. Sorry about that hole, and then crank it. And then it's pretty much everything in the opposite, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm taking the other one off. Alright guys, so this is the old one, this is the new one. It's just threaded on by hand right down there, and then snug it, and then you put all the panels back, and I'll get back to you then. So after you snug your plug up, stick your cap, or I can't think of it right now. Put that back on. Then, like what I'm going to do right here, so I'm going to make sure this doesn't break. That's the number one thing. Slide it down, and then I'm going to pop it all back into place, and I'll show you the video of firing it up for the first time with a new plug. Alright guys, so I got everything installed but the seat. This will be the cold start. It's actually only 10 or 15 degrees out today, and this is with the new spark plug, so we'll see how she does.